Okay, ICICI Bank, which just reported its second quarter earnings, a fabulous set of numbers. They were addressing the media right now about the second quarter earnings. We listen into what they're saying.
And by serving opportunities across ecosystems and micro markets. We continue to operate within our strategic framework and strengthen our franchise, enhance our delivery and servicing capabilities, and expand our technology and digital offerings. Our board has today approved the financial result for the bank for the quarter ended September 30th. I would like to highlight some of the key numbers. First of all, we'll talk about our profit and capital. Core operating profit less provisions, that is profit before tax excluding treasury gains, grew by 35.7% year-on-year to 13,731 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The core operating profit grew by 21.7% year-on-year to 14,314 crore rupees in Q2 2024. Excluding dividend income from subsidiaries associates, core operating profit grew by 22.9% year-on-year in Q2 2024. Net interest income increased by 23.8% year-on-year to 18,308 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The net interest margin was 4.53 in Q2 2024 compared to 4.78 in Q1 2023 and 4.31 in Q2 2023. The net interest margin was 4.65% in H1 2023. Fee income grew by 16.2% year-on-year to 5,204 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The profit after tax grew by 35.8% year-on-year to 10,261 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The consolidated profit after tax grew by 36.1% year-on-year to 10,896 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The standalone ROE was 19.1% in Q2 2024. At September 30th, the bank held a net worth of over 2.1 lakh crore rupees, including profits for H1 2024. CET1 ratio was 16.77%, Tier 1 ratio was 16.86%, and total capital adequacy ratio was 17.59%. Moving on to deposit growth. The total period end deposit increased by 18.8% year-on-year to 12,94,742 crore rupees at September 30th, 2023. Period end term deposits increased by 31.8% year-on-year to 7,67,112 crore rupees at September 30th, 2023. Period end term deposit increased by 64,601 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The average current account deposit increased by 14% year-on-year. The average savings account deposit increased by 4.5% year-on-year. The bank opened 174 branches in the current quarter, 634 branches in the last 12 months, and a network of 6,248 branches and 16,927 ATMs and cash recycling machines as at September 30th, 2023. We added about 4,000 employees in Q2 2024 and about 29,000 employees in the last 12 months and have about 1,39,000 employees at September 30th, 2023. Moving to loan growth. The domestic loan growth grew by 19.3% year-on-year and 4.8% sequentially at September 30th. The retail loan portfolio grew by 21.4% year-on-year and 5.5% sequentially. Including non-fund outstanding, the retail loan portfolio was 46% of our total portfolio. The business banking portfolio grew by 30.3% year-on-year and 10.6% sequentially. The SME business, comprising borrowers with a turnover of less than 250 crore rupees, grew by 29.4% year-on-year and 7.2% sequentially. The rural portfolio grew by 17.3% year-on-year and 3.5% sequentially. Growth in the domestic corporate portfolio was 15.3% year-on-year and 3.1% sequentially at September 30th, 2023. 71.3% of the total portfolio, excluding retail and rural, was rated A- and above at September 30th, 2023. Moving on to our digital initiative. Leveraging digital and technology across business is a key element of our strategy of growing the risk-calibrated core operating profit. We continue to see increasing adoption and usage of our digital platforms by our customers. There have been more than 1 crore activation of iMobile Pay by non-ICICI Bank account customers at end September 2023. The merchant stack offers an array of banking and value-added services to retailers, online businesses, and large e-commerce firms such as digital current account opening, instant overdraft facilities based on point-of-sale transactions, connected banking services, and digital store management, among others. The value of the bank's merchant acquiring transactions through UPI grew by 69.5% year-on-year and 13.9% sequentially at 2024. The bank had a market share of about 30% by value in the electronic toll collections through FASTag in Q4, with a 15.4% year-on-year growth in collections. The bank has created more than 20 industry-specific stacks which provide bespoke and purpose-based digital solutions to corporate clients and their ecosystems. The bank's Trade Online and Trade Emerge platforms allow customers to perform most of their trade finance and foreign exchange transactions digitally. The bank's digital solutions integrate the export transaction lifetime with bespoke solutions providing frictionless experience to our clients and simplify customer journeys. During the quarter, ICICI Bank participated in the industry-first trade finance transactions using blockchain-powered technology by transforming the time-consuming, paper-intensive cross-border trade in a real-time electronic bill of lading in a trusted and secure environment. About 71% of the trade transactions were done digitally in Q2 2024. The volume of transactions done through Trade Online and Trade Emerge platforms has grown by about 30% during the year. Moving on to asset quality, the net NPA ratio was 0.43% at September 30th compared to 0.48% as at June 30th and 0.61% at September 30th, 2022. During Q2 2024, there were net additions to gross NPAs of 116 crore rupees. The gross NPA additions were 4,687 crore rupees in Q2 2024. Recoveries and upgrade of NPAs, excluding write-offs and sale, were 4,571 crore rupees in Q2 2024. The gross NPAs written off were 1,922 crore rupees in Q2 2024. There was sale of NPA worth 179 crore rupees in the current quarter. The provisioning coverage ratio of an NPAs was 82% at September 30th, 2023. The total fund base outstanding to all borrowers under resolution as per various extent regulations declined to 3,536 crore rupees or 0.3% of total advances at September 30th, 2023 from 3,946 crore rupees at June 30th, 2023. The bank holds provisions amounting to 1,107 crore rupees against these borrowers under resolutions as of September 30th, 2023. The loan and non-fund based outstanding to performing borrowers rated BB and below were 4,789 crore rupees at September 30th, 2023 compared to 4,276 crore rupees at June 30th, 2023. Total provisions during the quarter were 583 crore rupees or 4.1% of core operating profit and 0.2% of average advances. The bank continues to hold contingency provisions of 13,100 crore rupees at September 30th, 2023. Going forward, we will continue to operate with a strategic framework while focusing on micro markets and ecosystems. The principles of return of capital, fair to customer, fair to bank, and one bank, one team ROE will guide our operations. We focus on building a culture where every employee in the bank treats customers with humility and upholds the value of brand ICICI.
All right, that was Sandeep Batra, the Executive Director at ICICI Bank, briefing the media about the second quarter earnings. A stellar set of earnings at that. There was a slight increase in the BB and below book, and that was because of one account, being upgraded, to a non-performing status during the quarter. But aside from that, of course, on the margins as well, the decline is perhaps better than what was expected. Profit growth strong as well, net interest income growth strong, and strong advances growth. So that is as far as ICICI Bank is concerned. On that note, we're going to wrap up this coverage of earnings on this special bulletin. Don't go anywhere. The news and updates will continue right here on CNBC-TV18.